G student, after reading, we are going to write our D. Firstly, you have to mention date and day and classwork on this page, and then you will circle the objects made by D. D the dog. We will circle it, and then dolphin. D the dolphin. We will not circle the object box because it does not start with the letter D. Okay student, now we are going to write D. Put your pencil at this right dot, go round, round, and then stop. Then put your pencil at this dot and be straight, make a hook, and then stop. Similarly, go round and stop. Then put your pencil at this dot and be straight, make a hook and stop. Okay students, you have to write this page number 13 within 30 minutes. Okay, and I will check it inshallah. Okay students, now page number 14 and page number 15 will be your home task. You have to color these objects starting with the letter D. You have to color deer and duck and also write this page, and you have to tick the objects starting with the letter D. Here is dinosaur starting with the letter D. You have to tick it and also write this page. Okay student, this is your home task. You will do it very well. Goodbye student, have a nice